Here we go with another gameplay video for Zero Ammo Moze. I don't know what I'm looking for here. Oh yeah, just trying to get my quest up. This is a trial of discipline. This will be the final trial. I've already made videos for all the rest with this build. Now, I've never ran this one on Moze, but I ran it literally hundreds of times on Zane, so I do very well know exactly what to expect with this place. The only challenge of going fast here is going to be the geometry of it. Not killing anything. Everything's going to be pretty easy to kill. Maybe the jetpack guys might dodge. They might do some dodging of the scourges. We'll see. For the most part, everything is easy to kill in this place. And the beginning spot here is really what's going to be the slowest because just all the cover the enemies have. After this, we got some pretty straightforward open areas, so it'll be a little easier to kill everything. Oh well, I was gonna go chase that guy down, but he got chased down by a scourge projectile. Where is... Are we just waiting on the bugged gate to open? I think we got everything. Yeah, this stupid gate doesn't like to open right away. It's annoying as fuck. Yeah, I did not want to slam there. So this part should be fairly easy. I'll just shoot down the gullet here. The next part that's going to slow us down a little bit is right after this bridge. Things kind of spawn a little spread out. And they run behind cover a lot, and they don't spawn right away, so that might slow us down a bit once we progress to that part. I have an idea for that though. Oh yeah, I forgot about this guy's shit. I should have aimed up at them. I should have put some up high for them. My idea is to use this bridge. Let's see if we'll be able to get a good angle on everything here. I don't know if everything's going to spawn if I'm up here though, so we'll see. Whoops, I did not want that to happen. That was a waste of a shot. So everything kind of spawns like a couple at a time, and then they all go run behind cover. That's the only challenge that this place is going to present this build. Pretty much exactly what I expected.
I'm on a freaking roll!
It's doing a little better than I thought though. Oh well. I was hoping not to have to use my proc here. Did I get the guardian? Where is it? What the hell? Oh, well, apparently we're not getting the guardian. I don't know what happened to it. Interesting. I know you could do this one in 5 minutes if you played it smart. I'm not exactly trying to go fast right now. Just being pretty lazy. I'm actually getting pretty tired, so definitely playing lazy. But you could definitely skate through this one easy. Really, get off my face. I actually haven't gotten really shit for means of destruction procs compared to how we normally... Oh, that better not have been a vulnerable trash commando that I just saw there. That's really annoying when that happens.
Serving up fresh hot death.
Yeah, we're not getting shit for means of destruction as far as grenades go. Oops, I did not hit the exit button. Yeah, yeah, you could definitely pull this off in 5 minutes if you played well. That's for sure. I'm gonna go ahead and say that as a definitive statement. Oh, we almost did it there, and we were just playing pretty lazy, so. I proc myself for the road too soon there. Fuck. This is gonna mess up the timing. Jesus Christ. Well, that could have went better. Oh, well, we just took random damage from something, so fuck. It's taking forever to get Iron Bear back right now. What the fuck? I think it kind of bugged out actually. Shouldn't be taking that long. That's weird. Oh, that's disappointing. It could have definitely went a lot better. You know, it might have been better just to use this launcher, actually. Oh, fuck. Mistakes were made.
Bullets are dry.
Oh, could you stop? Fucking cryo sucks so much. I hate being cryo. It's my biggest pet peeve in this game. Scourge does not do an amazing amount of damage to this guy, I guess. Alright, well. There you have it. About 6 minutes because it took us forever to kill that guy. Pretty crappy passes on that. That's it.